Friend, good morning, all of you. I would like to say you that today we will discuss about the exercise of this lesson, the lesson The White Elephant, written by Ruskin Bond. Exercise A, it says that mark the sentences as true for T or false for F. First sentence is that a herd of 80,000 animals lived at the foothills of the Himalaya. It is true. This sentence is true according to your lesson. Second, the white elephant's mother was lame. In this story, white elephant's mother was blind, but this sentence says that she was lame. So it is false. Yeah, galat. And third, the white elephant left his herd because he was disappointed with their dishonest behavior. White elephant left his herd. वह उजला हाथी जो है अपने उस ग्रुप को त्याग देता है, छोड़ देता है, because he was disappointed with their dishonest behavior. उनके बेईमानी वाले व्यवहार से वह दुखी होकर के, वह निराश होकर के अपने उस ग्रुप को छोड़ देता है. This sentence is true according to your lesson. So you write in your notebook true. And 4, the forester lost his way in the jungle one day. It says that एक दिन जंगल में एक फॉरेस्टर अपना रास्ता भटक जाता है, खो जाता है. हाँ, टुडे 7. So, according to your chapter, this line is true. 5, the white elephant went with the king because he was scared. वह डर के मारे नहीं गया था राजा के पास. So, according to your chapter, according to your lesson, this sentence is false. And 6, the king did not want to let the white elephant return to his mother. According to your lesson, this sentence is false. This sentence says that the king did not want to let the white elephant return to his mother. राजा नहीं चाहता था कि वह उजला हाथी अपनी माँ के पास जाए. ऐसी बात नहीं है. कहानी के अनुसार राजा उसके द्वारा उसकी स्टोरी सुन करके और उसके ऊपर दया करके उसे क्या करता है, फ्री कर देता है, छोड़ देता है. So, according to your lesson, this sentence is false. Okay, you write this exercise in your notebook and remember it. Next exercise. Dear student, now we will discuss about exercise B. Exercise B, it says that read the descriptions and say whom they describe. Here are some description in your book. You read this description and say that whom they describe. किसके बारे में यह डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखा गया है उसका नाम लिखना है. लाइक ही वॉज ए मजेस्टिक एनिमल. Already you have read this story. He was a majestic animal. He loved his mother very much and took great care of her. He did not want to harm anyone. In this sentence, a majestic animal, it means white animal. He loved his mother. वह अपनी माँ से बहुत प्यार करता था. And took great care, और उसके ऊपर काफ़ी ध्यान देता था. वह हमेशा यह प्रयास करता था कि उसको किसी तरह का हानि न हो. It means that this sentence describe about white elephant. So you write white elephant. Okay, understand? And second, they were greedy and selfish. They were greedy. Who were greedy? The elephants, other elephants of this herd were greedy, because the white elephant sent fruits for his mother. They ate themselves. उजला हाथी अपनी माँ के लिए जो भोजन भेजता था, जो फल भेजता था, ग्रुप के दूसरे हाथियों से वो फल, वो भोजन, वो दूसरे हाथी ग्रुप के खा जाते थे. सो दे वेयर greedy and selfish. So you write in second sentence, other ends of his herd Okay, understand? And third, he was ungrateful and selfish. He was ungrateful and selfish. He cheated an animal that had helped him in need. This line says that about the forester, because the forester cheated to white elephant. White elephant helped him, but the forester was cheated. So in this sentence you write forester. Okay, understand? And fourth, he was a kind person. Who was kind person in this story? The king was kind person. He was good listener and a friend. He was a true leader. This sentence describe about the king, because he was very kind person, good listener, good friend, and good leader. So about these sentences, about this description, you write the king Brahmdatt. Answer of this sentence is the king Brahmdatt. And fifth and last sentence of this exercise, she was blind and helpless. Who is blind? Who is helpless in this story? The white elephant's mother is blind and helpless in this story. They truly loved her son and was broken hearted when he was taken away from her. कहता है कि वह अपने बेटे से बहुत प्यार करती थी और जब राजा के सैनिक उस वाइट एलिफेंट यानी उसके बेटे को ले गए तो उसका हृदय जो है टूट गया, उसको काफी दुख हुआ. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज डिस्क्राइब अबाउट white elephant's mother. So you write in 5, mother of the white elephant. Now your exercise B has completed. I would like to say you that you will write exercise A and exercise B in your notebook and remember it. Okay? Thank you.